The ocean is a mysterious and dangerous place. It is home to some of the most harmful creatures on the planet. From the venomous spines of the stonefish to the electrifying jolts of the electric eel, the waters are filled with hidden creatures. And in the list of these creatures, there comes dangerous fish. But the big question is, which is the most dangerous fish in the world? And what makes them dangerous? To answer all these questions, we have compiled the list of 10 most dangerous fish in the world, with info and the risks they pose to humans. So without further ado, let's start. On number 10, we would like to start with the pufferfish. Puffers, also known as blowfish, are a family of the fascinating fish renowned for their ability to inflate themselves into spiky, round balls when threatened. These quirky characters come in all shapes and sizes, adorned with mesmerizing patterns and textures. They're most commonly found in tropical and subtropical waters, lurking among coral reefs, seagrass meadows, and even estuaries. Puffers harbor a neurotoxin called tetrodotoxin, concentrated in their organs and skin. This toxin is so potent, it can paralyze and even kill predators, including humans. It's 1,200 times more deadly than cyanide. Interestingly, puffers don't produce the toxin themselves. It's accumulated from bacteria living in their bodies, a symbiotic relationship that grants the fish lethal protection. An interesting fact is that some puffers can change their color to blend into their surroundings, while others walk on their fins across the seafloor. Some even release a puff of water to stun their prey before gobbling it up. At number 9, we have the red lionfish. Red lionfish, or scientifically named as Pteris volitans, is a venomous fish native to the Indo-Pacific region. Lionfish are typically found in warm tropic marine waters. Lionfish have been discovered in water depths ranging from 1 to 300 feet on hard-bottom mangrove, seagrass, coral, and artificial reefs, such as shipwrecks. This fish is approximately 18 inches long and can weigh up to 2.5 pounds. These fish are deadly because of their spines. These fish have needle-like spines loaded with a toxin that they can hunt, making them effective hunters of fish, shrimp, and crabs. These poisons, however, are not hazardous to people and only cause pain. One fascinating thing about these fish is their daring hunting method. Another remarkable trait is their capacity to change sex. Born male, they can turn into females if necessary, ensuring the population's survival. Moving on to number 8, we have the Candiru. The Candiru, also known as the toothpick fish or vampire fish, is a small parasitic catfish found in the Amazon basin in South America. It is approximately the size of a toothpick, growing to only about 2.5 inches long and a quarter-inch thick. This translucent fish has a long, slender body and a flat bottom. It is a hematophagus, meaning it feeds on the blood of other fish, often targeting the gills of larger catfish, using its tiny spines and barbs to attach itself and feed on the host's flesh. They have a powerful anticoagulant in their saliva that prevents blood clotting. According to the Brazil Health Report 1997, there is only one documented case of a Candiru entering a human urethra. It is unclear if it was attracted to urine or simply entered by mistake. The fish reproduces by laying eggs inside the gills of its host, and the baby Candiru feeds on the host's blood. Next on the list is the great white shark. The great white shark, scientifically known as the Conchirodon carcarius, is a fearsome apex predator that can grow to be 21 feet long and weigh 4,000 pounds. It can swim at 15 miles per hour thanks to its torpedo shape, blunt snout, and powerful tail. Their blue-gray back provides camouflage in the depths, while the white underbelly protects them from the sun in temperate and tropical coastal waters worldwide. Their bite has a 2,000-pound crushing force, which is supported by 300 razor-sharp teeth. It is the world's largest predatory fish and the largest of the mackerel sharks. Despite having 300 teeth, it does not chew its food. Sharks rip their prey into mouth-sized pieces, which are swallowed whole. According to ISAF report, the incidence of fatal shark attacks is 1 in 4,332,817. Coming in on number 6, we have Moray eels. Moray eels are a family of fish that live in tropical and subtropical seas. They are found in shallow water among reefs and rocks and hide in crevices. There are over 200 species of Moray eels, which range in size from 5 centimeters to 4 meters in length. Because of their size, these eels exhibit surprising agility, maneuvering through tight spaces and hunting in ambush. They rely on infectious bites to paralyze prey, fostering an easy meal with bold eyes and rows of razor-sharp teeth. Some moray eel species possess secondary pharyngeal jaws for tearing and swallowing. Moray eels have poor vision and have a keen sense of smell, which they use to hunt for prey, primarily smaller fish, crabs, and octopuses. Moray eels are often mistaken for sea snakes. They are considered a delicacy, and their soft, gelatinous skin and flavor make for an exquisite stock. For number 5, we have tigerfish. Tigerfish, also known as Goliath tigerfish, are large predatory fish, native to African freshwater rivers and lakes, and belong to the Caracean family, with habitats from Lake Tanganyika to the Congo River. Tigerfish can grow up to 200 centimeters, approximately 6.6 feet in length, and weigh between 27 and 28 kilograms, 60 and 66 pounds. They have a silver belly, red and yellow fins with black edges, and a large fork-shaped tail. Their head is large with strong and bony jaws. Tigerfish have large, sharp teeth that can be up to 2.5 centimeters, 1 inch in length. They have replaceable teeth, which is a unique feature. Tigerfish have neuromuscular toxins in their teeth that can paralyze prey. This venom is not harmful to humans, but serves as a deterrent by causing intense pain. They are fast and aggressive when catching prey, with a developed view and the ability to detect vibrations and movements. At number 4, we have piranhas. Piranhas are freshwater fish native to South America's rivers and lakes, particularly the Amazon. They have a reputation for being ferocious predators, and for good reason. These carnivores are equipped with razor-sharp teeth and a powerful bite. There are over 60 species of piranhas, but the most common is the red-bellied piranha. They typically grow to about 12 inches long and have a silvery body with a reddish belly. They're also surprisingly good scavengers and will eat just about anything, including insects, worms, small fish, and even carrion. While their bite is certainly strong, it's not venomous. Instead, their teeth are like tiny saws that can rip flesh with ease. This makes them incredibly efficient predators, especially when working together. According to the Britannica, a group of piranhas can quickly strip a carcass down to the bone, but piranhas aren't mindless killing machines. They have a complex social structure and are quite timid when alone. On number 3, we go with stonefish. Stonefish are the most venomous fish on Earth, lurking disguised as rocks on the ocean floor of the Indigo Pacific and Caribbean. Their bodies mimic stones, complete with bumpy growths and marbled coloring, making them nearly invisible to predators and prey alike. These slow-moving fish that live at the bottom of the ocean prefer to stay in shallow reefs and estuaries. They wait patiently for unsuspecting fish or crustaceans to come within reach of their dorsal fin spines, which they use to catch their prey. These 13 spines hide potent neurotoxins that can deliver excruciating pain and paralysis. Stonefish venom isn't meant to kill, but to subdue prey. Their toxic mix of muscle paralyzers and cardiac depressants allows them to easily swallow their meal whole. A unique characteristic of stonefish is that they can walk on their fins, using their pectoral fins like tiny legs to shuffle across the seabed. Box jellyfish is next on the list. Box jellies, also known as sea wasps, and marine stingers are found primarily in coastal waters off North Australia and throughout the Indo-Pacific. They are pale blue and transparent in color, and their name comes from a cube-like shape of their bell. There are approximately 50 known species of box jellyfish. Chironex fleckeri venom is found in box jellyfish. Their venom is thought to be among the most dangerous in the world among sea animals, containing toxins that attack the heart, nervous system, and skin cells. Box jellyfish attack by stinging their prey with their tentacles. These tentacles have thousands of microscopic barbed stingers. Each stinger has a tiny bulb that contains venom and a coiled, sharp-tipped tube. At number 1, we have electric eel. Electric eels are no ordinary fish. These sleek olive-green giants, reaching up to 8 feet long, slide in the muddy shallows of the Amazon and Orinoco rivers. Though not technically eels, they're related to catfish. They've earned their name for their electrifying prowess. Their bodies are lined with specialized cells that can generate powerful jolts of electricity, up to 860 volts. This potent venom stuns prey like fish and rodents, making them easy meals. But beware, even a curious human can get a shocking surprise. Unlike the paralyzing venom of a snake, the electric eel's jolt disrupts the nervous system, causing muscle spasms and temporary paralysis. It's enough to subdue prey, but rarely fatal to humans. They use their electricity for communication, navigation, and even to sense their surroundings. They're like living lightning rods, pulsing with electrical energy that crackles through the water. Thanks for watching the video. Comment down below your favorite part and let us know. Also, press the subscribe button and bell icon for regular updates.